Ever wondered what a window sash is or why it's so crucial for your windows? In this video, we're breaking down the basics and explaining how understanding your window sash can help you maintain, repair, and upgrade your windows. Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Today we're talking about window sashes. You might not think about them often, but the window sash plays a pivotal role in how your windows function. In this video, we're going to explain what a sash is, why it matters, and how it can affect your home's comfort and security. Let's start with the basics. A window sash is the part of the window that holds the glass in place. It's usually surrounded by a frame that helps it slide up and down or swing open. Understanding this key element can help you identify and fix common window problems. Let's break down the window sash into its essential parts. This is crucial for anyone needing to repair, replace, or simply understand their windows better. First, the frame. The sash frame is the outermost part that holds everything together. It's typically made from materials like wood, vinyl, or fiberglass, each offering different aesthetics and performance benefits. Next, the glass pane. This is what most people think of when they hear window. It can be a single, double, or even triple glazed sheet depending on your energy efficiency needs. Then we have the muntins. These are the bars that can divide a single glass pane into multiple sections. They're not just for looks. In older designs, they actually held separate pieces of glass in place. The rails are the horizontal parts of the frame, with the stiles being the vertical components. These terms might be familiar if you've ever worked with doors or other types of framing. Lastly, the weather stripping. This is a key component for energy efficiency, creating a seal that prevents drafts from entering through the moving parts of the sash. Understanding these parts can help you troubleshoot issues and communicate more effectively with professionals when you need repairs or replacements. A window sash typically works through a system of pulleys or balances which allow it to move smoothly. Whether it's a single hung, double hung, or casement window, understanding how the sash moves and locks into place will help you keep it functioning properly. If your window sash is difficult to open or close, doesn't stay up, or is visibly damaged, it may be time for repair or replacement. Cracks in the wood, drafts in your home, and rot are common signs that your window sash is compromising your window's functionality and impeding the energy efficiency of your home. Upgrading your window sash can offer several benefits like improved energy efficiency, smoother operation, and better security. Modern sashes are designed with advanced technology and weather stripping, helping keep your home comfortable and reducing energy bills. Now that you know more about window sashes, you might be wondering whether it's time to replace just the glass or the entire window. To help you decide, head over to our Learning Center for a comprehensive guide on glass replacement versus window replacement. To get there, just click the link above or down below in the description. Thank you for stopping by and learning about window sashes. For more insights into the latest in home improvement solutions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.